Hello friend, and welcome to Sunny Miles Studio. Today I have a lot to show you, so let's get right to the craft table. Today I'm going to work on this little Thinking of You card. It's a cute little cardinal, and first of all I'm just going to sketch out with a Sharpie pen so you can actually see what I'm doing. I'm just going to start with a rock and just kind of make a rocky type shape, and I usually do this with pencil and paint over it, but I'm just doing it so you can see it because the pencil doesn't show up. So then I'm gonna take the card that I'm actually gonna work on here and do the same thing with the pencil. You won't be able to see it very well, but I just start with a little rock shape, and then I like to also draw in a little puff of snow here about how it would sit on the rock, and then the cardinal shape. He's kind of a little bit of a pear shape, so just do a little bit just so I have a general guideline of where I'm going with this painting. Then I'm going to start with I like to use small paintbrushes. This is the one I like a lot. It's a size 0, and I'm just going to go into my paints over here. I'm using this Kuretake set, and I'm just picking up some of the brown and going in dark right on that top edge. And then kind of just filling it in, getting more paint as I need it. Like that. And sometimes I go and take maybe like a lighter brown and put some streaks just to give it a little texture. And maybe go in with that first dark brown a little bit more on that edge. And you can add more streaks with that too. And then I'll go in with the orange first on the cardinal's beak here. I'm just going to draw a little triangle. And I'm grabbing, these are my sets. This is my other set. It's the big Kuretake watercolor, one of the bigger sets. These are the ones that I like because I can get real saturated color and also real light watercolor if I add more water. So there I've got his little beak. I'll let that dry and come back. Next I'm going to switch to a little bit lost it. Oh well. This is another small brush that I'm going to use, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of gray. You can use whatever paints you have and whatever colors. This is the general gist of what I'm doing here. Going in with the dark gray around the edge to make the shadow, and then I just kind of fan it out so it gets lighter towards the edge, and it makes a nice shadow. And then I take that same gray and just I have some here on my palette, and I'm just going to add a little bit more water to it, make it even lighter, and go in here on this little snow poof and kind of make that look like it's the snow. And then that orange is almost dry. I'm going to switch to a number, what is this? Which way does it go? 6, I guess. A number 6 brush. And I'm going to go in with a blue I like this one. I think it's called ultramarine blue. And just get a bunch on my brush and start at the top so it's darker at the top, and then just kind of fan that out. And you can leave bits of white so it looks like there's clouds. Just kind of giving a little bit of sky there. And then I think that orange is dry, so I'll go back to my smaller brush. And I'm going to pick up some kind of a cranberry reddish color here. And fill that in. And I kind of leave a little bit of space around the triangle because I'm going to go in with black to make his little face. Just kind of filling that in. Take a little off the edge to give him a little bit of shadow there. Make him a little bit rounder. There, he's kind of sitting on that poof of snow. I love to see the cardinals in the wintertime. They're so pretty against the green pine trees or the snow or whatever winter setting. And then the last thing I do is I like to use these Pigma Micron. I like to use the smallest one of the smaller ones, 005. And I'm just going to go in and kind of draw these little stick trees. You can use black or brown, whatever you have. Just going in, adding little branches here and there, making the bottom a little fatter. I like to put a little one sticking out over here. There. You can't really mess those up. Just keep adding more sticks and lines. And then you can either handwrite a greeting down here, thinking of you, or thank you, or birthday wishes, whatever you like. I have some little stamps that I picked up at the store. And I like to use these sometimes. That's what I used here, thinking of you. So you can just stamp that down there. And that about finishes that. I just need to add one more thing. I think this is about dry. Just need to go around his nose with some black. I guess it's not a nose, it's a beak. Just gonna give his face. There, that's good. So I hope you like this. I like to do a lot of nature cards and all kinds of crafts, but I definitely spend a lot of time doing watercolor cards. So if you like that, come on back and we'll have some more fun together. Hope you have a great day. We'll see you soon.